What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a maintenance wrap for your car so you can change your oil, transmission fluid, or you can do any kind of maintenance under the car without needing any car jack. So let's keep going. So for the ramp you need following things I'm going to show you now. You need two pieces of wood. It can be 8 feet long. So any 2 by 8 wood you can use it, and you can find this type of wood in any home hardware store like Home Depot or anywhere. And other things you will need is, first thing is safety, so make sure you have a safety gloves. Then you need the drill. If you want to use it, it will make it easy to put the nail in. Then you need the screwdriver, or if you have this kind of impact driver, it will work. You need a marker and measuring tape. You need a 3-inch or 2.5-inch nail with the flat head. So you need this kind of nail. Just buy one of the box, so it will be more than enough. And last thing, most important, you need the saw. Either you can buy the rotating saw, or you can just buy the manual one and it will work. So let's keep going and make a maintenance ramp. So first thing we need to do is to cut the wood, and for that we have to place the marking so we can do precise maintenance ramp by cutting both wood equally. So first mark we will put at, it's a 2 inches. So it will be exactly at that 2. Then you have to add 15 more, so it will be at the 17. So it will be gonna be 17 inches. Then you will add 20 more, which will be 37 inches. And then you will add another 26 more, which will be exactly at 63 inches. And then remaining wood will be 33 inches. And you have to do this on both sides, so on this side and other side. So on both sides put the marks. So put the mark on the other side so you can make a straight line. So 2, 17, 37 and 63. put them side by side like this. So make sure they are parallel to each other. So that way your car can go equally up and it don't go one side up and one side down. And once they are parallel to each other, take a marker and just mark the line. Now one more thing, we have to use the sandpaper to sand out all of these edges which are rough, so you can prevent the damage to your tire because of these sharp edges. So I'm going to use the sandpaper and sand it out and make it smooth. Use the drill and drill on one of the four corners. Then use the nail and screw it in. You want to make sure it flush with the board.